So once you have downloaded the code, make sure that you open up Foodly user and then come to your project root, and inside this you'll have env.development, this file, and then make sure that you have these 2 lines correctly over here, and then also make sure that you do the same for Foodly restaurant over here, .env development, and you have these 2 lines correctly, and after that we are going to run the app. So this is our app that is running over here, and it's running perfectly fine. Everything should be here. Now if you are doing it first time, definitely you will just see this one, and of course over here you need to log in. You will see login UI, but before login you need to do registration. Anyway, so this setup is the quick setup to go ahead and run it quickly. Well, and if in your case, if you encounter other issues at the very beginning, that could be that your Google Map API key is not correct. You also have to get it from your Google Cloud Console and put them here. Now in this installation page, there are other videos that shows you how to get them. So once you get them and put them here and here, you should be good to go.